Hey, hey, no. Yo, what's happening, YouTube? Just hanging out with the wolves. Day before Thanksgiving. Starting to get kind of cool here. What's up, Moon? What up, Bubba? What's up, Bubba? What's Hubble? What up, Major? What's up, big boy? Get it, someone. Get it. We don't have much going on. We're just hanging out. Letting everybody be wild as they want to be right now. What's up, Bubba? What's up, Bubba? Bubba and Major. Major. What's up, Major? See them. Getting big. 4.5 months old. They'll be 5 months old December 4th. So next week. Good boy. Smooth. What's up, Moon? Good boy, Soma. Yeah, we don't got much going on. We're just hanging out today. Let y'all get a quick look at the puppies. Quick look at Moon. And Soma, of course. Good boy. Like I said, Soma's just chilling for the rest of the year. We'll do some bite work stuff throughout the winter, but we just gonna chill for the rest of the year as far as working Soma. I think we're gonna start the puppies bite work this weekend too, so I might have some video of that for y'all the next time y'all see us. Good boy, out. When he's biting the thin part, out, back up. When he's biting the thin part, I make him stop. And then I just kind of put him in a prey mode by moving the tire. Good boy. And then he'll get a better bite on it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. Hey. No. Hey. Hey, hey, no. Boy, you do what you want. Made your nose better. He's growling back at her. You better tell her, you better chill out. Get your sister. Get your sister, Major. Get your sister. Major's gonna try to stand between me and them now. The boy, Soma. Good boy. Good boy. As long as someone has a good bite on there, that's a good bite. Just hold him out. My bad, y'all. My phone died. But like I was saying, when he has a move. When he has a bite like this, I'll make him let it go. And then as long as he has a good bite on there, I will let him hold on to it. Out! So again, I'm gonna put him back in prey mode. Out, move, back up, go. I'll put him back in prey mode so he'll get a good bite on it. And I'll do that. Hey, no, out, out. I'll do it just by moving the object, making him chase it. Good boy. Hey, hey, no! Don't you dare. She thinks she wants to go over there. Shut up, Bubba. No. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, no. 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 Good boy. But all right, y'all. I'll get with y'all next time. Summer, chill out.